name's Joshua Carton, and I'm a managing director and co-founder here at Curien, and our product at SEMA Launch Pad 2020 is the N2 Neuron. So this is the industry's first compact 2-channel graphing digital multimeter that's run exclusively connecting to Bluetooth, which actually lets you use the biggest screen you have or want for seeing and reading information. And our mobile applications actually give you the ability to see and understand more of what's going on with your testing than you would have gotten from just numbers from a normal digital multimeter. 90% of the automotive technicians out there are afraid to work on electrical. Just think about that. There's about 1.2 million mechanics. That's over 900,000 of them that don't know what to do past a simple check or a test. And then on the enthusiast side, it's the same deal with 8.5 million of those guys out there, and taking that fear away from them and helping them become more assured that what they're doing is right, that that they can be comfortable with the fact that they are in fact fixing this vehicle or installing it right, whether it's a component or a piece or a circuit or a cable or a light, that they're not going to have to go take it to someone else later and pay more money down the road to fix what they didn't quite fix right the first time. Data intelligence for us is taking raw information or raw data, like a number from a voltmeter reading or an ohm meter reading or an amp meter reading, and then turning around and interpreting what that means, what it means in relation to the vehicle, what it means in relation to what you're trying to achieve, and at the same time comparing it to other data points inside the vehicle itself to give you relationship of its health, of its operating status, of what you need to do next. We are taking that gap, that knowledge gap of what they don't know, understanding where we're going, and through our measurement device, which is the N2 and its conjoined app, we are meshing those together to start helping our customers, our users, actually interpret what they're looking at, taking the raw data of a voltage measurement, an ohm measurement, an amp measurement, maybe a waveform of some sort, to analyze it, understand it, and turn it into data intelligence where they will know what to do and take that next step on whether it's repairing the vehicle or the next diagnostic step, or knowing whether or not they have to replace something. So we're helping them do that heavy lifting. We have a network of over 400,000 professional mechanics that we tap on a daily basis, that we're talking to and asking questions and running surveys and getting feedback. And the main reason for that is that, these professional technicians who are in fact kind of guiding the rest of the space all the way down through the enthusiasts, they're the ones who have the biggest needs and the most direct feedback, because they are working on cars on a daily basis. And so by doing that, we are able to get that information, codify it, take their genius and help put it in the app to improve their lives and the lives of our other customers. One of the really cool, unique things about this tool is that it actually has the ability to be updated over the air. So its internal firmware has the ability to be updated while it's in the field after we launch it. Not a lot of products out there do that, and we did it for the reason that we know there's going to be so much more changing. There's so much more to know that we don't know now. The way that this industry is evolving on a day-to-day basis, we are getting leaps and bounds away from the point where one person knows how to do everything. If we were called to the podium, it would be an affirmation that what we're doing is the right thing, that we are on the right path. We are helping and improving these people's lives, and we don't just see that everyone is seeing that with us, and they believe in what we're doing.